How to download conversations from Slack. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download conversations from Slack. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to slack.com. And from its homepage, kindly go to your channel. And from here, just click and select Settings and Administration. And under it, just choose Workspace Settings. Afterwards, it will lead you in this next tab, in which the next thing that you need to do is to click the import or export data. And from here, just click the export. And upon doing so, it will lead you into this. So just scroll down a little bit, in which, as you can see below, you can export the messages from the date range, such as for the last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 30 days, entire history, or even within a specific date range. And let's say I'm gonna choose for the last 7 days. And to proceed, kindly click Start Export. And afterwards, you will see that your export is now being generated. And if you scroll down, you will see the past export or your history export in here. And to proceed, just go to the first tab, slack.com. And from here, just click the Slack bot, in which by doing so, you will see that your Slack export has now been completed, and you can download it by clicking the hyperlink, in which it will lead you into this. So all you need to do is scroll down, and from the status, kindly click the file that says ready for download. And by doing so, you will now see that the file that contain a messages or conversation in Slack will now be downloaded. So that is just how to download conversations from Slack. Thank you.